In this video we're going to look at preview frames within Create Templates. Now I'm looking at a job view here, and for page 4 I can see a preview frame, and that gives me an indication of what is in the page. Let's open up this page now and let's see how we set a preview frame so it can be used. Now this animation has got 4 keyframes. So we've got keyframe 1, keyframe 2, keyframe 3, keyframe 4. When we're working in Gallium, it would be useful to be able to see what the text says on each of these surfaces. Gallium has the ability of looking at multiple preview frames. So our main preview frame is set by this big camera here. To change which frame is chosen for the main preview frame, what we can do is let's go down to here, and we can right click in where the numbers are up at the top here, and then we set main preview frame, and the camera has now moved from frame 0 up to here. So if I close and save the page, we see that our preview thumbnail has changed. Now let's open that up again. Now in Gallium, if we were using a Gallium to look at this page, we might want to see all 4 sides as preview frames. So what I'm going to do now is go back to frame 0, right click and set the main preview frame as frame 0. Now I'm going to go along to the next keyframe, and I want to make this available to Gallium as a preview frame as well. So I've gone to the keyframe, up and where the numbers are, right click, and I can set an additional preview frame here. See how this gives me a smaller camera up here. And now I'm going to go to my next keyframe, and again right click, set preview frame, and again come to the end, right click, set preview frame. If I put a preview frame in the wrong place, all I have to do is line the playhead up to that camera, right click, and then I can remove that preview frame. And it asks me the frame number of the one I want to remove, and that's frame 38. So now we have our timeline with our main preview frame, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 preview frames altogether. If I close and save the page, if I hover above the thumbnail, it now shows us all 4 preview frames. And this allows us to see the text on each surface of this rotating cube. These preview frames are available in Gallium for previewing. So that's how to add preview frames which Gallium can use to see different parts of the animation, allowing the end user operator to get a good view of the template before they take it to air.